Hey Jersey, this is question number 10. So the key component here is the fact that it talks about this square fountain, the fact that this fountain is square. So the first thing we're going to look at, it says that the courtyard has a length of this by this, and then there's a square fountain. So it says write an expression for the shaded area. Well, the shaded area is going to be the entire courtyard, this times this, minus this times itself. So what that looks like is right here. Come on. There we go. So we have x to the third minus x squared plus x plus 5 times 3x squared minus 5. And then it's going to be minus, and that's just going to be, remember, x squared minus 2 times x squared minus 2. That's what we look at right there. Okay? So what we have to do is we're going to have to FOIL these out and then just distribute the negative sign. So I'm going to FOIL both these out right here first. So this is going to become x squared. Okay, that's going to be minus 2x. So sorry, that's x to the fourth. There we go, that's better. X to the fourth minus 2x squared. Minus another 2x squared. And then plus 4. So all of that is going to look like this. Notice the negative sign is still out in front right here. That'll be x to the fourth minus 4x squared plus 4. Now eventually we're going to distribute that negative sign. We can do it right now if we wanted to, but let's go back up here and actually FOIL this stuff out, okay? So that's a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this up so it's easier to see. Okay, so we have that. So let's go and check that out. So if I FOIL here, I'll FOIL to this. That'll go and give me 3x to the fifth, okay? X to the third, x to the second, x to the fifth. Multiply this times this. That's going to be minus 5x to the third. Notice I left a space there because I already know I'm going to multiply this times this and get an x to the fourth. So I left a space for the third so I can just add straight down. Okay, so when I multiply this one, like I said, that's going to give me my minus 3x to the fourth. Notice it's in my second row. No like terms for it. And then this times that is going to give me my positive 5x squared. Okay, now I just go to the next term. I'm going to take my x and multiply it by 3x squared, which is going to give me my 3x to the third. Multiply that by this, going to give me my minus 5x. Okay, things are going to start like overlapping, but don't worry about that. Last one right here, that's going to give me my 15x squared. And my last thing right there is going to be a minus 25. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and combine the like terms that are like terms right here. So if I write that, it's going to be 3x to the fifth minus 3x to the fourth. This will give me negative 2x to the third. That'll give me plus 20x squared minus 5x minus 25. Okay? Now, remember how I had to distribute that negative sign through right here? I'm going to distribute it through and just put it underneath here. So this will be minus x to the fourth. This will be plus 4x squared, so put it like right underneath here, and then that'll be minus 4, and then I'll just combine like terms straight down. I'll get 3x to the fifth minus 4x to the fourth minus 2x to the third plus 24x squared minus 5x minus 25. And now that's going to be an expression of the shaded area, because this was the total area minus the fountain. Gives me this answer right here.